What are FODMAPs? FODMAPs are short-chain carbohydrates that are easily fermented and can be poorly absorbed. When they reach the bowel unabsorbed, they attract water into the bowel, causing IBS symptoms like diarrhea, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and others. A low FODMAP diet is a therapeutic diet for IBS. It should be trialed under the guidance from a registered dietitian. Because FODMAP foods are consumed in a healthy diet, it is important to determine which ones you can tolerate. All of the foods included in this recipe are considered low FODMAP. An important thing to remember when choosing low FODMAP foods is the serving size. A low FODMAP food can quickly become a high FODMAP food in excess serving sizes.